Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's episode of Box in a Garage. I'm your host, Johnny Box. Grab your adult beverage of choice and settle in, because it's time for an episode of Box in a Garage. Good morning. Welcome back. Another lovely day here in the garage. Last night, we got all the primer finished up. Only thing we got left is get these things in paint. So, let's break out the paint. We got our Kubota orange. Let's get it poured out. Wait. I'm not going to use a paint tray for this, because all I'm going to be doing is using a brush. I ain't using a roller. So with a brush, dunk it right out of the can. Ooh, yummy. Don't look like Kubota orange right now, but after a little mixing. Got it nice and mixed up. When you think you got it nice and mixed up, mix her up a little more. Because if you're like me, you don't know and you probably didn't mix it up enough. What are you looking at? Got her brush? Got her paint? Let's get to her. Alright, we got her setup ready to go. Got the engine stand ready to paint. Got the cherry picker ready to paint. Let's start painting. The entire cherry picker. Then when we're done painting the cherry picker, we'll flip this over, paint the other side of it. not go. Alright, let's get this thing flipped over. Got all the paint on that. So hopefully this is somewhat dry. It's tacky, it'll be alright. So we'll flip this thing over and make sure we set it on its wheels. Thinking how I want to do this. That'll work. Alright, finish painting that up. Alright, we got paint. First coat on both of these. After it dries up pretty good, gotta give it like an hour, put a second coat on. But right now, we've got some other stuff to get going. So, come on with me. And let's go over here. On through all this stuff. Over to here. And we got these to do again. So, let's get set up. We'll get some paint on these, make them look good. Now remember, you gotta shake these up real good. Otherwise you get bad paint. I mean, it's gotta be mixed. Alright, that's coat one. Good thing about this spray paint, you don't have to wait nearly as long in between coats, so we're going to wait about 10 minutes and put on a second. All right, now that that paint is dry, we can get started putting these together. I like to put on gloves. Let's get to it. There it is. They're all together. All together. Well, I'm going to do some finishing touches, then I'm going to show them off to you. And there we have it, another job well done. I want to thank you all for tuning in to Boxing in the Garage and sticking with us this far. I hope you're staying safe, stay healthy. If you liked what you saw, I appreciate a like, and if you want to see more, I'm posting every week. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next week.